Dear student, in this video I am going to discuss about fertilization. So what is meant by fertilization? The fusion of male and female gamete is known as fertilization. So male gamete is a microspore, there is female gametes from the ovule. The fusion of one male gamete with female gametophyte followed by fusion of second male gametophyte with the polar nuclei is called a double fertilization. The fusion of first male gamete with the female gametophyte produce zygote which develop into the embryo. So the second male gamete fusion with the polar nuclei produce endosperm mother cell. The double fertilization occurs in the embryo sac of the ovule. First, it was discovered by Navasin in 1898. So double fertilization is a normal and regular fertilization of angiosperm. The fertilization, that is double fertilization, involve the following steps, that are germination of pollen grain, growth of pollen tube, entry of the pollen tube into the ovule, pollen discharge, and finally nuclear fusion in the embryo sac. Let's see one by one. First, the germination of pollen grains. The pollen grains are deposited on the stigma by the pollination. So the pollen grain germinate on the stigma by absorbing the stigmatic fluids. This is the first process of fertilization, that is germination of pollen grain. After the germination of pollen grain, it grows a pollen tube. So during the germination, so the pollen grain produce pollen tube. So normally one pollen tube develops from the pollen grains. So the pollen grains which produce single pollen tube are known as monosiphonous pollen grains. So the pollen grains which produce more than one pollen tubes are known as polysiphonous pollen grains. The malva plant, it is a polysiphonous pollen grain types. So the pollen that contain pollen grain, namely vegetative cells, generative cell, migrate into the pollen tubes. So the pollen tube grow through the style. You can see the figure. First pictures, the pollen tube is enter through the micropyle style. So the tip of the pollen tube is hemispherical, transparent. It has a cap or block. So when the pollen tube grow through the style, a series callus plug are formed into the pollen tubes to keep the more cytoplasmic content in the tip of the pollen tube. So the further growth pollen tube depends upon the nature of the style. And next, after the development of pollen tubes, it enter into the ovule. That is third step, the entry of the pollen tube into the ovule. So it entry into the ovule. So usually pollen tubes enters through a micropyle. The pollen tube enter through the embryo sac at the apex of the fully formed apparatus of the synergids. Based on the place of the entry of the pollen tubes of the ovule, there are three types, that is porogamy, chalosogamy, and mesogamy. The pollen grains, its entry through the micropyle, it's a porogamy. It's a common type in angiosperm plants. If the pollen tubes entry through ovule in callosal end of the ovule, that is called as a chalosogamy. You can see the Casuarina and Petula plant. The third is a mesogamy. the pollen tube enter the ovule through the integument or funicles. Here we can see the Cucurbita plant. Next, the fourth, after the pollen tube entry through the embryo sac, the pollen is discharged. It is in the synergid. The tip of the pollen tube break and content of the pollen tube is discharged. The content include, that is, two male gametes, that is sperms, the tube nucleus and the cytoplasm. So the tube nucleus and the nucleus of synergids disintegrate from the X bodies which stay in dark due to the presence of DNA. So after the discharge of pollen, so the two male gametophyte, that is sperms, are released pollen tube or involved fertilization. So the one male gametophyte fuse with egg and other male gametophytes fuse with the polar nucleus. So thus there are two fertilization: the fertilization of egg, fertilization of polar nucleus. So hence it is called, this is known as a double fertilization. It is a common in angiosperm. So the first male gametophyte fuse with the egg to form a zygote. The fusion of male gametophyte egg called syncamy. The zygote developed into the embryo. The second male gametophyte fuse with the polar nuclei to form a primary endosperm nucleus, which is triploids. This involves fusion of three nucleus, that is two polar nuclei plus one male gametophyte. So it is also called a triple fusion. This is the what are the steps involved in the double fertilization or fertilization. First, the germination of pollen grain and growth of pollen tube. After the development of pollen tube, its entry into the ovule, the developing pollen tube. After the entry of the pollen tube, it's discharge the pollen. After the discharge of pollen, the nuclear fusion takes place in the embryo cell. This is all about fertilization. After the fertilization, there are some post-fertilization changes also occur. What are the significance of double fertilization? The embryo is formed from fertilized egg, that is diploid zygote. So the endosperm is formed from the fertilized polar nucleus. So embryo and endosperm are product of the double fertilization. So these are some point of about significance of fertilization. Thank you.